Branching or conditional logic is one of the most powerful features in Google Forms. It lets you show different questions to different people based on their answers. For example, guests who select yes, maybe, or no to attending a wedding will see each different or shorter sections, so those not attending don't have to complete the entire form. Here's how to set it up. We need to create 3 separate sections in the survey by adding the section modules. The first section will be for guests who will be attending the destination wedding. To add another section, you must add at least one question to a section. The second section will be for guests who are not sure whether they will be able to attend. The third section will be for guests who won't be able to make it to Venice, Italy. If you want a bird's eye view of the survey, you can collapse the sections to see the layout more clearly. Once the sections are created, go back to the multiple choice attendance question and link each answer to the appropriate section. To do that, click More Options in the bottom right and select Go to section based on answer. Now you will see a Continue to Next section drop-down on the right of each multiple choice option. I will link each answer to its corresponding section. You can have 2 options going to the same section, but obviously it doesn't make sense in our case. Also, underneath each section, you can specify where the survey should continue to. This is useful for the sections that end with questions that don't use branching. I will leave the Continue to Next section option as default. There are 2 types of questions in Google Forms that support branching: multiple choice and drop-down questions. How does branching appear to responders? When they respond to a survey, at the bottom they will see a progress bar showing the number of sections they have to complete. Long surveys will have number of sections to help divide a long survey into digestible parts. After completing one section, the responder must click Next to continue. Since this form is branched out based on the attendance question, responders will see different sections depending on whether they select yes, maybe, or no for attending the destination wedding in Venice. I use such branching in my Google Form wedding template available in my Etsy store. Thanks so much for watching.